Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device off. This prevents accidental taps and helps you see dust. Once done, lay the phone face up on a soft cloth so edges are protected. Use an alcohol wipe around the corners only to loosen adhesive, don't soak the screen. Peel slowly from a corner using a fingernail or plastic pick. Lift steadily at a low angle. If resistance occurs, warm the edge with your breath for 10-15 seconds to soften adhesive, then continue peeling. With the old protector removed, clean the glass thoroughly. Swipe with an alcohol wipe, dry with a microfiber cloth, and use a dust absorber sticker to lift stray particles. You need a pristine surface because even tiny dust causes bubbles. Once the screen is spotless, peel the protector's backing a little and align it to bezels, camera, and button. This prevents misplacement. Slowly lower the protector from one edge while watching alignment, and use a card to press out air as you go, pushing toward the nearest edge. After placing the protector, smooth bubbles by pressing from the center outward with a wrapped card. This forces air and adhesive into place. Make sure to apply steady pressure along the edges for 30-60 seconds so the adhesive bonds evenly. Once done, inspect under good light for trapped dust or lifted corners. Small edge lifts can be pressed down, but persistent bubbles or scratches mean you should remove and retry with a new protector. If you must lift, use a dust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.